It's so important because the cybersecurity space changes all the time. The attackers are innovating, there's new approaches. There's never been a more important time for the cybersecurity community to get together and share experiences and knowledge, and that's what RSA Conference is all about.
How is this year different than years past?
Everything from, can AI make me do a better job in defense? So can I incorporate it into the defense posture of the business? And then the other piece is AI is showing up in other parts of the business that have nothing to do with security. Like, for example, customer support. If I'm in charge of security, how do I make sure that that's done in a safe way? And those are two big preoccupying thoughts around AI.
Talk to me about the challenges it is for you from where you sit on trying to continuously make RSA innovative and different from years past.
Every year we challenge ourselves. How can we be better? And this is such a large event. It takes maybe 16 to 18 months to plan the event. We've been planning the 2025 event for 3 or 4 months already. And we're always asking ourselves, how can we better serve this community? So we are always asking the question, how can we innovate?
And I would imagine that you do that by collaborating with a lot of the industry leaders and cybersecurity professionals that attend RSA, right?
Yes, this is a community-driven conference.
Yeah.
I think if your listeners take nothing else away, we are for the community, by the community.
Speaking of stories, as you're sitting here telling me this story, your face truly lights up. I can really tell that you're passionate about what you do. Tell me about what motivated you to want to become the executive chairman for the RSA conference.
I have been in cybersecurity my whole career, maybe even my whole life, right?
Really?
It's hard to pin it. And I say my whole career, my PhD's in mathematics. I wrote the first book on software security testing 20 years ago, right, at a time when security wasn't as prominent. I've been a professor at Columbia University teaching computer security. I've been in industry. I was a CTO at Symantec for a while. But during almost all of that time, I've also been the program chair of RSA Conference because I knew that this conference could make a huge difference in the world.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely.